In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Behance account. Start by going to the Behance website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the profile icon located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down through this menu and click on Settings. You'll now be in your profile settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled Delete Account. When you do that, the page will scroll down to the relevant section automatically. Here, you'll find a button that says, I want to delete my Behance account. Click on this to begin the process. Next, scroll down and read the warning that explains this is a permanent and irreversible action. To proceed, you need to check the box that confirms you understand and agree to delete your account permanently. After checking the box, you'll be asked to enter your Behance username for confirmation. If you're unsure of what your Behance username is, hover over your profile icon again and select Behance Profile. When your profile page opens, look at the URL in the address bar. The last part of the URL is your Behance username. Copy it and return to the deletion page. Paste your username into the required field and then click Delete My Account. Your Behance account will now be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that deleting your Behance account will not delete your Adobe account or cancel any Adobe subscriptions. If you have active subscriptions, you must cancel them separately. This process only removes your Behance profile and its associated data. And that's how you can delete your Behance account.